Bruxism symptoms are really easy to spot. For example, if you find yourself with a dull headache or a sore jaw, those can be symptoms. If you wake up several times in the night, or if your partner notices that you're kind of making grinding noises while you're sleeping, if you have fractures in your teeth or in fillings, if your teeth are just sensitive, these are all possible symptoms of bruxism. If those are happening to you, don't freak out. There is a cure, and it's simple and inexpensive. For more information, please check out the link below.